Hello friends, today we will learn how to install Git on Windows 11. So open your browser and search Git download. Click on downloads Git, the first link. And since this is our Windows operating system, just click on download for Windows. So check which one you want to download, 32-bit or 64-bit. You can check it from here. Don't click on this PC, just right click on it. Click on show more options. Click on properties. As you can see, it shows 64-bit operating system. So we will download the 64-bit for Windows setup. Standalone installer. Click on that. So it is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, click on the folder icon. Double click on this. Select yes. And your installer is here. Click on next. So your Git folder will be available in C program files. Click on next. Click on next. Choose all the default option and keep clicking on next. Now it is extracting all the files. It is installing. So now it is successfully installed. Click on finish. Okay, these are just some release notes of the version that we have downloaded. Now minimize all of this and let's go to our C. Program files. You can see the Git is available here. The other way to check is go to command prompt, search cmd and write Git. So it is giving you all the basic commands that you can use. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.